Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sanguri, Assistant Professor, All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on food and beverage service term, alphabet N. So let us understand from the alphabet N what all kind of terms we can see. So, what are the objectives of this topic? You must be thinking about this. So, after this session, students will able to learn the different terms which is used for interview purpose. After knowing this, they can appear for interview. First term is napkin. Is a very common term in food and beverage service. It is a square piece of cloth or a paper which is used at a meal to wipe the fingers or lips and to protect garments. So you can see here in this picture napkin. Next term is napron. What do you mean by napron? Napron is another term which is used for a slip cloth. It is a slip cloth which is we kept on the top of tablecloth. Okay, to save or to protect tablecloth for spilling of any kind of vegetable curry. Next term is nut cracker, which is used to crack walnut, almond, and so on. Nip. It is a small measure legally recognized and usually of spirit. For example, nip of whiskey, which is of 25 ml or 50 ml. Non-alcoholic beverages. It is a term which is used that are either totally free from alcohol or that have less than 0.5% alcohol by volume. You can see here in this picture all the non-alcoholic beverages are included like tea, coffee, juices, smoothies. Nose. It is the smell of a wine, aroma or bouquet. Nutty. It is the aroma which is found in sherry, madeira, port and cook wine. Noble rot. It is the one kind of wine disease in which grapes dried by the fungus Botrytis cyanida naturally in humid climate, and this makes the grapes concentrate the sugar which results in sweet wine. You can see here in this picture noble rot. Neck. It is a term which is used in beer service. It refers to without foam or a very little foam when you pour beer in the glass. Neutral spirit. It is a highly rectified, cogner and impurities free spirit. Nassau orange. It is a type of liqueur from Netherlands which is pale gold in color, neutral spirit. Next is Negroni. It is gin-based cocktail which is made by adding sweet vermouth and Campari and served in old-fashioned glass. Nicotine. It is a toxic alkaloid found in tobacco. Neat. This term is refers to the liquor which is served without ice or any mixes. For example, whiskey, vodka adding without ice. Napoleon Cognac. It is a cognac which is aged 5.5 years and not from a Napoleon age. Nature means plain or simply boiled we can called as nature. Negotiate. It is a term which is used for a French wine shipper or exporter. Nitrogenated beer. It is a type of a creamy beer which is style in the made pipe forcing nitrogen out of the beer using a special restrictor tap. Hence, the name is called as nitrogenated beer. Nozzle. French hazelnut flavor liqueur is called nozzle. Nebbiolo. It is a red Italian grape which is used to make a Barbaresco and Barolo. New Wave Brasserie. Another term is gastrodome. It is a sleek, modern interior design coupled with the similar approaches to a contemporary cuisine, and the service is all the time busy and bustling and often large and multi-level. It's called as New Wave Brasserie. Neutral vodka. It is a distill from a grain of potatoes highly rectified. It is filled through activated charcoal or a quarter sand. We heard many times this term net profit. It is the excess of sales over the total cost. Next is no charge. When we talk about a no charge or NCKOT, that means customers that they are not going to pay for this and the credit transaction we can follow it. Hence it is called as no charge. Notepad. You must have seen the server is carrying a pad of blank or rule pages for writing order which is given by guest. So hence it is called as notepad. Non-captive market. What do you mean by non-captive market? It is the market where the customer has a choice of eating out, opportunities both in terms of the food and drinks and the type of operation they wish to go to. Natural spring water. Natural spring or mineral waters are normally drunk on their own for a medicinal purpose. Hence, it is called as natural spring water. You must have heard about this word New World wine. New World wine are those wines which is produced outside the traditional wine growing area of Europe and the Middle East, in particular from Argentina, Australia, Canada, Chile, Mexico, New Zealand, South Africa, and the United States. Hence comes under the New World wine. Napkin ring. It is a ring which is used to hold a guest table napkin when it is not in use. Next is non-residential guests. Guests those are not staying in the hotel is called as next quiz. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic through the link which is provided in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of query or questions related to this video, do contact me. My email ID and contact number is given in the first slide. Thank you. Have a great time. References. Below mentioned references are taken for. Please find below mentioned references for this video. Thank you.